How are we doing, everybody? It's Robert from Euronics. I'm in Telfords in Portlaoise. I'm here with Rassul from Samsung, and Rassul is going to bring us through these amazing robot vacs from Samsung, which are called the JetBot. So, first and foremost, what's a robot vac for the people that don't know?
So it's another entry to our vacuum range. So we introduced them 2 weeks ago now to the Irish market. So Euronics will have 3 versions available.
Yep.
So you'll have the JetBot.
Yep.
You'll also get the JetBot Plus, which comes with a clean station, which I'll talk about later. And then the top end model, your JetBot AI Plus, which has some really cool features.
All the toys.
All the toys, exactly.
Okay, so the bread and butter, this one. So explain, tell us about this machine.
So the first thing I always like to talk about is what we call is a LiDAR sensor. So all the bots will have a LiDAR sensor. So what this sensor is a 300-degree sensor.
Yep.
And what you'll do is actually accurately map, track, and locate the whole area of your house. So once you've done that, you can set up no-go zones, so up to 6. So these no-go zones are particular areas that you don't want the bot to go near. So if you have any pets or anything at home,
Children
which eats in a certain
children
sleep, exactly, it keeps well away from them. And then it does the opposite, and it has select and go areas. So if you just want one particular area of the house cleaned, it will just clean that specific area as well. So really smart.
Okay, so that's savage.
Yeah.
In terms of your brush, because you're kind of unique with your brush on it, so it's really good for hard floors or good floors.
Exactly. So firstly, what all the bots will do, depending on if it's on hard or soft floor, it would automatically adjust the suction power, so it knows itself what to clean to give the best result. But in regards to the brush here, it's what we call the high efficiency brush.
Yep.
So all the bots will have this version. And basically what it is made with soft woven material, and as you can see there's bits of anti-static silver in there as well. So the silver picks up the dust a lot more effectively, it's a lot more hygienic as well. And then as you can see in the middle as well, we have anti-tanglers as well. So there's no issues with hairs getting caught up in the bot and stopping it all together. So really clever and efficient.
They're really effective for all that dust that's on the floor that people don't really see.
Exactly.
So for somebody with allergies or
exactly that. And with this as well, it's all hand washable as well, so you can just rinse it underneath the tap, let it air dry,
so
and put it back in.
New ones.
You don't whatsoever.
So in terms of, there's obviously it's running on a battery, so charge time, how long to charge this?
So it's up to 90 minutes on all the bots. However, you don't need to worry about the battery. And what I mean by that is the bots will know automatically when to go back and charge itself. So if the battery is running low, it will go back into the charging dock, recharge itself, and if it needs to carry on the job, it'll do that as well.
So obviously this one won't do that, but this one will.
No, they'll all do that, they'll all do that. So they'll have your own charging port here, and it'll actually do that as well on all the bots.
So this one just reverses back in there?
It does. All the bots will do the same. They'll just reverse back into the cradle and charge itself.
And empty the bin on this one?
Yep, so you have 2 options with the bin. With the JetBot, this particular model here, you have a bagless option. So literally what will happen here is all the dust will build up into, so you have your filter there, and all the dust will build into there. So literally just rinse that underneath the tap, clear it out.
And off you go.
And off you go as well.
And obviously make sure it's dry.
And obviously make sure it's air dried as well, exactly. And then literally just put that back in the port like that. And with the other 2 options, what we have is called the clean station. So
this is brilliant. So
it is
explain to me what the clean station is.
So clean station in a nutshell, using air pulse technology, it sucks everything from the bin into bags, which actually interlocks when you take them out, so no dust particles is escaping whatsoever. So if you do have anyone at home who has any kind of bad allergies or anything like that, it's really good and efficient like that.
And the bag, in terms of size on the bag on it?
Yep, so that's 2.5 litres size bag there. You get 3 bags in with every single clean station, and with all the clean stations as well, you get 2 filters. So you get a filter underneath the bag and at the back as well. So it's very hygienic, and it picks up 99.99% of all fibre dusts as well. Okay,
so in terms of underneath it then, on this one, you can see it.
Yep.
So obviously you get different size rollers depending on the machine?
Yeah, so with this particular model, because you get a smaller brush, you actually have the thistles here as well to clean those edges of corners and everything like that.
Right to the skirting board?
Exactly, it'll go right to every single corner, so it won't miss absolutely anything. Whereas on the higher end model, you have a bigger brush to get all those hard
I know we've taken it out on this when you can see it, so we've removed it, but you can see the size difference on the 2 brushes there.
So a lot difference, twice the size. But as I said, you do get the bristles there, and you can actually place them on both sides as well.
And when it reverse this one, or when it parks itself, it cleans its bin through here?
Exactly, so it'll know exactly itself when it needs cleaning, and it'll reverse back into the clean station, and as I said, using the air pulse technology, it will suck everything into bags, so really hygienic.
So in terms of this, what has this machine got besides the clean station that this doesn't? I know it's got the bigger brush, but what else has it got?
So what it does have is, firstly, it has more suction power, so actually 5 times more suction power than the regular bots. It has jet cyclone technology inside it, so that's exactly what we have in our jet vacuums as well.
Binds all the dirt together.
Exactly, yeah, so it does a lot more hygienic. Digital vertimotor in all the models as well, and with this particular model we also have a live camera. So the live camera, you can, this is what I absolutely love, to be fair. So you could keep an eye on your pets at home or anything like that as well. which I absolutely love. And then also with this model, it has what we call AI object recognition technology as well. So with that technology, what it does, it actually sees anything which is a meter high and actually recognizes furniture and so on. So it will avoid any loose kind of items. So you have socks, wires, or anything like that, it will avoid that completely altogether because it has the object recognition. So very,
this
very
is
clever.
loaded with technology.
It is indeed, yeah.
So Rassul, in terms of the camera, how does that operate? Is it app-based?
Yep, so it's all smart enabled. So with all our appliances, just like the laundry, we use SMARTTHINGS as our app. And what you can actually do with these particular models is you can have live reporting, so live cleaning reports. So you can actually get a visual of where the bot is at the time, what is actually clean and what's left for it to clean. You can also schedule the bot. So if you know you're going to be in work, you can give it a specific time or day, it will clean that specific area there. You've also got the no-go zones, which we mentioned, the select-to-go areas as well. And it's all voice recognized as well. So it works with Alexa, Bixby, and Google as well. So you can actually talk to it.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
It's just technology in these is unbelievable. So there's 3 in the range.
Yep.
And that's pretty much them, but it is a category that's absolutely booming. Everybody wants
to be part of one of these.
You just set it off, you go to work, and when you come home, the house is clean.
Exactly. As long as it's set up, it's good to go.
No dust, less allergies.
No dust.
They're amazing. Rassul, thanks very much for your time. If you want to find out more about the Samsung JetBots, you can call into your local Euronics store, or you can visit us online at euronics.ie. Rassul, thank you very much.
Thank you.